Jaden, come down. It's okay, come down. Okay, let me just put you to sleep. I better go wake up Cat because she's for school. Cat, honey, are you awake? Come on, you'll be late for school. Oh, Mommy, I don't want to go to school today. Can I please not? The only thing we do is play games. I guess, but you still have to go to school. Oh, fine. Okay, get ready. I'm gonna go and check on Nash. Okay. Okay. Nash, why are you playing your games when you could go and pack your lunch? I packed it last night. I'm all packed for school. Oh, okay. Well, that's good, I guess. Star's probably already ready because she usually is. Oh my gosh, stop crying already, Jaden. Okay, I'll probably head downstairs because Nate's cooking breakfast. Dad, the waffle has been cooking for the last around hour. Are you sure it's not ready yet? Just let me cook, okay? I'm a professional. I was a chef cook when I was in my 20s. Okay, jeez, but you better check on it. I know what I'm doing. Okay, well, just let me look then. Are you positive it's not cooked? Yeah, I think I hear Star's voice, so I'm just gonna head downstairs. Well, guys, is everything okay? Dad burnt the waffles. Well, I thought they were cooked. Oh my gosh. Just cook some bacon and eggs. Fine. I'll just throw the ashes out. I think the waffle machine is broken. Oh my god. Okay, we'll just have to go to Walmart and buy a new one. Do you even have a brain? Because I'm clearly winning. You're only a toddler, stop. You're embarrassing me. Does it look like I care? Jeez, guys, enough with the chess. Come and sit down. Your dad is cooking bacon and eggs. Oh, yum, okay. Ugh, I still won. Oh my god, that was such a good nap. Wait, what smells like it's burning? I don't even know. Wait, what is that? Oh no, my precious eggs! Why do I waste food like that? You know what? There is no breakfast today. Everyone will just have to do with nothing. Dad, did you burn the eggs? Yes, I did. Oh my god. I guess there's no breakfast today. Why did all of the lights just go off? Is the fridge still working? I'm gonna go check. Oh my gosh, what is happening? Come here, Jaden, don't cry. It's going to be okay. Okay, everyone, come down. I don't know what's happening. The fridge isn't working. Why is it so dark outside? Beep. New message. Oh, that's my phone. Let me just, get it. New message from school. Kids, there's no school today. Yes! But why? It says there is a chance of a flood. There is a hurricane coming nearby, just 2 hours away from our town. What? What do you mean? We all gonna die? Oh, no, Cat, don't worry. It's just a little chance. It might not happen. Okay. So kids, there is no school, but don't worry, everything is going to be alright. Okay. Why is it so windy? Because of the hurricane. Oh no. Okay, come on, Jaden, you're okay. Oh my gosh. It's okay, kids, it's okay. Just let's all go in the basement to make sure we're actually safe. Okay, let's go in the basement, guys. It's going to be okay, Cat. It's fine. Yeah, it's okay, Jaden. Okay, guys, we have a couch in here so you guys can sit down. Okay. Come here, Cat. You can sit by me. Okay. I'm coming too. We have a couple of candles so it's not so dark. Yeah, I'll turn them on. Same. You can hold one right there and I'll hold this one. Wait, no, you hold that one. We have some sleeping bags if we have to stay here overnight. Yeah, it's going to be okay, kids. Come down. We're all gonna die. It's okay, Cat. It's fine. It's fine. There, how about you go to sleep, Cat? There you go. Come on, lay down. It's going to be okay. And I'll make you a sleeping bag, Jaden. Okay, you don't want to sleep alone, so let's just rock you to sleep here. Rock-a-bye, baby. Oh, okay, you're asleep. Oh my gosh, why did you just wake up? Well, it's fine. Go sleep with Cat over here. Okay, good baby. Kids, don't okay, Mom. Okay. I'll take the candle. We'll just have to wait for the hurricane to pass. This is so stressful. Tell me about it. The wind is so strong. Yeah. Can we watch the TV? No. Sorry, but the hurricane's just too strong. Okay. I'll turn off the invisible. Yeah, kids, let's go all to sleep. But it's 8 a.m. in the morning. But it's a hurricane, well, nearby, so we better go to sleep. Mommy. What's wrong, Cat? The house is flooded. Oh my gosh, come here, Cat. I'm soaked. That doesn't matter right now. Our house is flooded upstairs. Why is the water dripping? Anyway, that doesn't matter. Storm made. I was having such a good dream. What happened? Why is everything in water? It was a flood. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Come here, Jaden. Come here. Kids, wake up. Kids, wake up. Actually, wake up. Why am I soaked? What happened? No, my new socks. That doesn't matter about your socks. House. Mom, are you crazy? Outside is more water because that's where all the water is getting. You're so right. Why did we even go to the basement? We have to get to the second floor. Or no, third floor. Come on, let's go, guys. Quick. Okay, guys, let's go. Coming. Fred, what are you doing right here? Froggy. Oh my god. Did we just leave our only pet? Yes, Mom. Okay, come on. Okay, you can come here, cats. You can come with me. What are we gonna do upstairs then? I don't know, but we'll just have to wait until everything is done. Okay, Mom. Okay. New alert. What now? Okay, let me get my phone out again. For any survivors. Survivors? Oh my god. For any survivors. The hurricane is coming towards the Clearwater Drive, Labrador City, Sunflower Place. That's where we live. Are we going to die from the hurricane now? Sweetie, it's going to be okay. Come down. Me and Dad are gonna figure something out, but we'll just have to stay here for a while, okay? Okay.